Now, TikTok wants the U.S. government to urgently intervene in averting the ban on the social media platform, which was upheld by the U.S. Supreme Court on Friday. TikTok has said it will be forced to go dark in the U.S. on Sunday, that is the 19th of January 2025, if the White House and the Department of Justice had failed to provide clarity and assurance to the service providers that are integral to maintaining TikTok's availability. The U.S. Supreme Court had upheld the law that bans TikTok in the U.S. unless its China-based parent company ByteDance sells the platform by this Sunday.
U.S. citizens and residents remain uncertain on whether they will be able to utilize social media platform TikTok following its ban by the U.S. Supreme Court, which takes effect on Sunday. The Supreme Court on Friday upheld a law requiring Chinese company ByteDance to sell the U.S. version of the popular short video app to a neutral party or face an outright ban effective Sunday, January 19th. This means that if TikTok does not find an approved buyer, it faces removal from app stores and web hosting services. In their response statement, TikTok had challenged the law, arguing it would violate the right to free speech for more than 170 million users.
Sad, angry, many emotions, and it's going to affect me tremendously. I mean, this is my main platform is TikTok. I have other platforms that I monetize, but nothing monetizes quite like TikTok. I'm a live streamer mainly. So, you know, I know that they've said, oh, you know, you can use other platforms. It's just not the same. And anybody that uses TikTok or live streams.
The White House said the incoming President Donald Trump, whose administration takes office on Monday, will have to make a decision on the fate of TikTok.
So the president can issue a 90-day extension, giving the company 90 more days to sell itself, if the company has shown that it has actually got essentially a term sheet for a sale, a kind of proto-agreement with another buyer. And so that seems unlikely at this moment that there would be any kind of agreement for sale.
In the meantime, TikTok has said it will be forced to go dark in the U.S. on Sunday unless the government intervenes before the ban takes effect. TikTok claims that White House and the Department of Justice had failed to provide the necessary clarity and assurance to the service providers that are integral to maintaining TikTok's availability. Influencers and content creators have been posting videos on the app bidding farewell to their followers ahead of the impending ban. Some users have been announcing where their content will be available to view next, including on Chinese video app Red Note, which is not as popular in the U.S. Safina Cheng Oma, Citizen TV.